In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DrunkDeer A75 Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 Rapid Trigger Mechanical Keyboard is a compact TKL, Tenkeyless, gaming keyboard featuring hyper-fast magnetic switches and customizable RGB lighting with 18 built-in effects. It boasts an impressive sensitivity range of 0.1 to 3.6 mm, with adjustable accuracy at increments of 0.1 mm, and an ultra-responsive polling rate of 1000 Hz, making it 10 times faster than traditional mechanical keyboards. Notable features include the RT Plus Last Win mode, which prioritizes the most recent keystroke for uninterrupted gameplay, and the Release Dual Trigger mode, allowing a single key to perform 2 distinct actions based on whether it's pressed or released. With 82 keys and a sleek ABS white design, this keyboard not only enhances gaming performance but also offers a visually engaging experience, backed by strong customer reviews highlighting its responsiveness and quality. Number 2. Black G913 TKL Keyboards. The Black G913 TKL RGB is a wireless gaming keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking a compact and high-performance typing experience. This 60% layout features mechanical switches, RGB backlighting, and a waterproof design, making it suitable for both gaming and office use. Despite limited sales data, the product has garnered significant interest, with over 100,000 similar items sold. It sits within a competitive market that includes various mechanical keyboards with diverse features and price points, such as the RKS98 and Redragon models, catering to different user preferences. With its sleek black design and advanced functionality, the G913 TKL is poised to appeal to gamers and professionals alike. Number 3. DrunkDeer A75 Gaming Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 Magnetic Switch Gaming Keyboard is a feature-rich TKL mechanical keyboard designed for an enhanced gaming experience, boasting a high rating of 4.8 from 6 reviews and notable sales figures. This wired keyboard utilizes advanced magnetic switch technology that requires no physical contact during key presses, allowing for customizable actuation ranges between 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm, resulting in rapid trigger responses ideal for FPS gaming. Its ergonomic design promotes comfort during prolonged use, while the RGB backlight offers 18 different effects and 10 levels of brightness, enhancing the aesthetic appeal. The keyboard is compatible with major operating systems, including Windows and limited macOS support, making it versatile for different users. With a robust build quality and a variety of sold products from the DrunkDeer brand, the A75 is positioned as an attractive choice for gamers looking for responsiveness and style. Number 4. DrunkDeer G65 Keyboard. The DrunkDeer G65 Mechanical Keyboard is a compact TKL gaming keyboard designed for speed and precision, featuring rapid trigger technology that activates upon pressing and resets upon release, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming. With a sensitivity range of 0.1 to 3.6 mm, adjustable accuracy, and an ultra-responsive polling rate of 1000 Hz, this keyboard outperforms traditional mechanical keyboards by a significant margin. It also includes advanced features like the RT Plus Dual Trigger mode, allowing single keys to perform 2 actions based on how they are pressed, enhancing gameplay in titles like Fortnite and Apex Legends. The G65 is equipped with customizable RGB lighting effects, a tray-mount design for comfortable typing, and a durable magnetic switch that boasts a lifespan of up to 100 million keystrokes. With its robust features and stylish aesthetics, the G65 aims to elevate both gaming performance and user experience. making it a sought-after choice for gamers seeking responsiveness and functionality. Number 5. DrunkDeer A75 Pro. The DrunkDeer A75 Pro Silent Magnetic Switch Gaming Keyboard is a compact TKL, Tenkeyless, mechanical keyboard designed for gamers seeking high-speed performance and customizable features. It boasts a rapid trigger response with a sensitivity range of 0.1 to 3.6 mm and can register inputs up to 10 times faster than traditional mechanical keyboards, making it ideal for intense gaming sessions. The keyboard features 82 keys, hot-swappable silent magnetic switches, and customizable RGB lighting effects. Enhanced with RT Plus functionality, it allows users to prioritize the last keystroke during gameplay, ensuring swift directional changes without interruption. Additionally, its release dual trigger mode permits each key to perform 2 distinct actions based on press and release, enhancing gameplay versatility. The design also includes durable PBT double-shot keycaps and a tray mount with shock absorption for comfortable typing. With a high polling rate of 1000 Hz and an 8K whole scanning rate, the A75 Pro is optimized for precision and response, making it a top choice for gamers looking to elevate their performance.